Hello, I'm John. If you're a business owner or entrepreneur who needs to generate more leads and sales, well, then I have a message for you. As you know, the rising cost of traffic has dramatically increased the cost of generating leads online. And to make matters worse, no matter what industry you're in, you probably have competitors who are going after those exact same prospects. This increased competition means your advertising costs continue to rise, and it makes it harder and harder to become profitable and grow your business. Most people try to combat that by trying to drive even more traffic to their websites. However, getting more traffic to a sales funnel that is not converting is not going to solve the problem. But luckily for you, there is now a solution. Through our new product called Advertising Bait, you can now offer all of your prospects and clients a free 5-night vacation to explode your leads and sales. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it definitely isn't. We've already given away over 30,000 trips. Here's how we do it. We also own bookvip.com, the fastest growing online travel company in the world. In the past 3 years, Book VIP has generated over 3.7 million Facebook fans, over $150 million in sales, and received over 17,500 customer video testimonials, more than any other website on the planet. Because of the tremendous volume of reservations that we do, we've also been able to negotiate incredible deals on our resort partners' unused inventory to allow our members to give away free 5-night vacations to beachfront resorts located in Cancun, Puerto Vallarta, and more. For less than a cup of coffee per day, Advertising Bait will allow you to provide high-value vacation incentives to your prospects to close more sales. A lot more sales. This will allow you to separate yourself from your competition and drive ad costs down, turning losing advertising campaigns into home run winners. It will also allow you to generate tons of referrals and video testimonials from your clients, which will create a virtual viral effect for your business. And you'll see much higher customer satisfaction and more repeat business. Our free vacation incentives work for virtually any type of business to dramatically increase leads and sales. The Greater Bank in Australia did over $1 billion in loans by offering a switch to the Greater Bank and receive a free vacation promotion. Many of our clients are seeing a 2 to 3 times higher return when using our vacation incentives. E-commerce stores are using it by giving away a free vacation to anyone who spends $50 or more online. It's being used to create massive profits, generating online leads for real estate, financial services, and much more. Others are using them to run highly viral social media contests that convert into tons of sales. The opportunities are endless. Advertising Bait makes it so easy to award free vacations to your prospects and clients. In less than 20 seconds, you just enter in your client's name, email, and choose the destination you want to award. They get an instant email from bookvip.com letting them know they've just been awarded a free vacation, compliments of your company. And there's a toll-free number for them to call 24 hours per day to redeem their vacation. For your customer, there are no timeshare presentations to attend. Their only obligation is the $19.70 per night resort taxes, and they have 18 months to travel. BookVip.com makes its money from upgrades, referrals, and repeat business, essentially gaining more and more market share in the travel industry. So again, if you're a business owner or entrepreneur who needs to generate more leads and sales, you're only minutes away from using our free vacation incentives to close more sales, launch online viral contests, generate tons of referrals and testimonials, and much more. Act now before it's too late. Once we reach our maximum number of members, this offer will be gone.